वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। जैसा कि हमारा टॉपिक स्टार्ट हुआ है इंजीनियरिंग ऑफ कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर, उसमें हम पढ़ते हैं डिज़ाइन इश्यूज क्या आते हैं। सॉफ्टवेयर इशू, सॉफ्टवेयर कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर में डिज़ाइन इशू क्या आता है पढ़ते हैं। Once the requirement of a desired system are analyzed and understood, the system can be described to satisfy these requirements. Next, to understanding a given problem, the most important phase in developing a system in the design phase. The time spent in the design phase greatly affect the implementation, testing, and maintenance activity. It also determines well the system resulting from the design phase will meet in requirement. The design activity is guided by several system design goals. The goals are used to evaluate a design. The section describe a set of possible described to goals. Several design principles which respect these design goals are described as the remainder of the section deal with the aspect of perform in the activity of system design. हम पढ़ेंगे बेसिक सिस्टम कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है। डिज़ाइन इशू में बेसिक सिस्टम कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है। People often encounter complex situations that are either inscribed or poorly structured. To deal with complexity, we must first organize it and understand it. We must discover some kind of order and structure. One of the most and powerful nature of true order of a structure and order is that of system, who Greek standing together. We define a system as set of interrelated components that can be viewed as a whole. The components of the system work together in general to perform function to achieve several goals. A function of a system is work, activity, or task that a system performs. An objective of system is the purpose of goal that system serve in carrying out its function. The solar system is an example of well-known system. A system whose behavior is described by the law of gravity as scalar law. A football game, इसकी examples हैं. A football game is an example of a system. A football game is a major component of two teams. The playing field, the various pieces of football equipment, the official, the action of player, and the score. The rule of football or define the valid way. In this way, the component and be arranged can be interact. The rules which are essential of part of the system in a sense define the possible relationship among the components. The function of the system is to play football. A football game may have many objectivities. It may contain certain fans, provide unemployment to several classes of people such as. In designing a computer system, it is important for each part of system to correspond to one one well-defined part of problem. For sure, furthermore, one relationship between the various part of the problem is that reflected by a corresponding relationship between the pieces of system. The approach of design is implemented for a real season, minimizing implementation and maintenance of a system. One of the primary goals is the remainder of this section is to focus on the architecture of the system and program. In the design system, we shall use two-term module instead of component. Server question considering a design may be include द आंसर टू में कुछ जो आंसर लोग करते हैं उनमें जो आंसर हम वो किए जा सकते हैं इस टॉपिक में। हाउ शुड अ सिस्टम ऑर्गेनाइज इनटू मॉड्यूल्स, किस तरह को सिस्टम को छोटे टुकड़ों में या छोटे पीसेस में कैसे तरह की मॉड्यूल कहते हैं पीस ऑफ वर्क या पीस ऑफ वर्क, किसी भी छोटे बड़े काम को छोटे छोटे पीसों में कन्वर्ट कर देना। व्हाट इज गुड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ मॉड्यूल, कौन सी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन काम वाली बेस्ट है। विच इज गुड मॉड्यूल, व्हाट इज बैड मॉड्यूल, गुड मॉड्यूल क्या होता है, वर्ड मॉड्यूल क्या होता है। What should be interface between modules? ये सब के आंसर ही लिखे हैं। The answer is that question mark on certain goals such as stability, simplicity, maintainability, acceptability, and efficiency. Other factors they may interface influence decision may include the programming language, hardware, and software. Will design goals and describe in more detail in the next subsection. We conclude this subsection with a more precise information and module. Previously, we have used module in the general sense of component of a program. Unfortunately, various authors have defined module in slightly way. Many programming languages for examination, Fortran, Pascal directly support for one mechanism of organizing a program into component, namely the subprogram. It is natural when designing system into such language. It requires concept of module and program. Each module sub programs concept of one module representing the main program. हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन के बटन को दबा दें ताकि मज़ीद इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल आपके लिए मुफीद रहे।